Yep. Yep. Just flip that. Yep. 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 One. 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 Works in the fire world. Just pull the bar back. I really enjoyed making these. Whether or not I like them or not, I'm not sure. They don't look right this end. They sort of look like a penguin, Elliot said. But a lot of people said in the last video, in the parallel jaw tongs, Dan, could we make some channel locks or have a go at some channel locks? They're good for holding stock parallel. And I was going to try doing the old channel lock style tongs, but working out the rivet and stuff, I thought, oh, I'll leave it for a while and try them later. But I watched GS Tongs, Glenn over at GS Tongs' video where he made a set of rivet-less tongs just like these, and his came out quite good. So I thought I'd give those a go, and they do work. I'm very impressed with the outcomes of these. So I'm just going to show you what they can hold. This is 12 round, and the thing with these is they do move about quite a bit, and if you don't get them in the right place, they don't hold very well. As soon as you get them right, they hold really well. And I would suggest that's an issue, because if you're fumbling around at the side of the fire trying to pick something up, they can be a bit frustrating. So this is the 12, holds really well. I could have set these up for 10, haven't got any 10mm in here, so I thought, sod it, I'll just set these up for 12. So these hold the 12 really nice. 12 round, this is 12 square. Hold 12 square really nice, and again, if you don't get them lined up properly, they are a nightmare. There we are, 12 square, nice and tight, nice handle thickness there. Again, like I said before, you have to get these into a position where they're holding, and once they're holding and you've got the pressure on, you know, you could put a little clip on the bottom. 16 round, good, and we give this a little bit of a tap on the anvil, and it works quite nicely. 16 square, and again, holds real good. 20 square. And again, you have to get these in a position where they hold, and they do hold, and they hold pretty good. Now, the reins, again, not great, but better than some of the previous ones that we've tried and made here. Whether or not that's something that I've done, or it's a problem with the tongs, yet to see. But again, jack of all, master of none, really. I am going to make another set of these. I'm going to make a set of these as scrolling pliers. I think that having that extra force and being able to sort of get them inside places, I think that might be quite nice. The nice short handles, nice powerful handles there, give you a lot of leverage, which I really like. Yeah, they're okay. They're nothing special. They're not tongs, they're pliers, as far as I'm concerned. And they do kind of do the job. So that's it, really. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you every time I make a video. We're absolutely storming towards 10,000 subs, so thank you to everyone who has subbed and liked videos and all that nice stuff. Comments down below. I love getting comments off you guys and girls. Some of you share some amazing information. It's just nice to get some of the love as well, so thank you so much for all that. Comments down below what you thought of these. Comments on some other maybe tongs that you might like to see me try that are a bit odd. We've done the parallel jaws, obviously, did the ultimate tongs, the Brian Brazil ones, and now I've had a go at Glenn's. Well, these aren't Glenn's, but they're mine. Oh, I want to go home. So we've had a go at these rivet-less ones as well. Any other tongs that you'd like me to have a go at, down in the comments down below. I'm quite keen to try some more gimmicks tongs series, I guess. As before, go and check out the Instagram and the Etsy, and I might be setting up this Discord talky thingy where we can start sharing stuff. So if you guys and girls at home try making anything that we made here, I'd love to see it, and we can put it up there and we can all mock each other friendly like. Cool, this has been a load of fun. I'll leave a link up here to the video of me making the parallel jaw tongs. These are the Brian Brazil What's the Job ultimate tongs. I will leave another video down here of something else, some more tools probably, and this is the subscribe button. Bye bye. Let's go home.